so much for being here. As the Dean of the UCLA School of Nursing, I'm pleased to welcome you to the 2021 Virtual White Coat Ceremony, honoring our Advanced Practice Registered Nursing Students, or as we say, APRNs. It's truly an honor to play a small part in this important rite of passage for our students. This is such a critical time to be a nurse, especially an APRN. You will be joining a network of 23,000 nurse practitioners across our state, serving on the front lines, providing compassionate, holistic, and evidence-based care to all. Each of you will play a pivotal role in the future of healthcare. I expect you to be champions for change in this work. We trust that you will use the education that you receive here at the School of Nursing to benefit our communities by improving health, improving access, and reducing inequities. And to the families who have joined us here today, thank you for your support. This profession has strict prerequisites: a generous heart, a desire to do good in the world, a commitment to science, and a firm belief in the goodness of humankind. And I'll tell you, they can't do it alone. We are proud to build on your efforts to develop the next generation of incredible healthcare workers. Lastly, thank you to our School of Nursing staff and faculty for your dedication to equipping our graduates for the future and for ensuring their success. I'm so proud to lead this school and see its impact on the profession, the state, and the country, especially during these challenging times. Now, I have the distinct honor of introducing our keynote speaker, Dr. Quanna Batiste-Brown. Dr. Batiste-Brown serves as the Chief Nursing Officer of Ambulatory Care at UCLA Health, where she oversees nursing care at more than 180 ambulatory care clinics. Maybe some of you are at these placements. She holds a Doctor of Nursing Practice degree and is an adjunct associate professor at the UCLA School of Nursing, where she lectures in our DNP program on organizational and system leadership. Among her honors are the 2015 UCLA Health Directors Award and the UCLA Healthy Work Environment Award for ambulatory nursing. In 2016, she was recognized as a UCLA Health Center of Creative Leadership Academy Fellow, and she was named an Advisory Board Rising Executives Fellow. And wait, one more. She received an American Academy of Ambulatory Care Nurses Evidence-Based Practice Nursing Research Grant. Dr. Batiste-Brown is a member of the American Organization for Nursing Leadership. She sits on the board of directors for the American Academy of Ambulatory Care Nurses, and as of 2020 was the president-elect, and is the 2018 past president of the Los Angeles Coastal Chapter of the Association of California Nurse Leaders. Dr. Batiste-Brown's community outreach includes founding a medical assistant program as a partnership between UCLA Health and UCLA Extension. She truly uses her education to excel professionally, and she provides inspirational leadership to others, which is why we invited her today. She is currently serving on a task force with the American Nurse Association of California to eliminate racism in healthcare through education. And this aims to equip nurses to be change agents in eliminating health disparities. Please welcome our 2021 White Coat Ceremony keynote speaker, Dr. Quanna Batiste-Brown.
Many thanks to Dean Linda Sarna for inviting me to deliver the keynote address for the UCLA School of Nursing White Coat Ceremony for the Advanced Practice Program. I am Dr. Quanna Batiste-Brown. I'm the Chief Nursing Officer for Ambulatory Care at UCLA Health, and I'm so excited to participate in your ceremony. As I embarked in many milestones in my own career, as I started my career as a nursing assistant, I soon understand the role of the nurse in the human experience. As I did my undergraduate studies during Hurricane Katrina, I also understood how to prioritize your own personal safety while caring for others. I often lean on the principles of compassion, teamwork, respect, and empathy that were forged during that national disaster as we move through this global pandemic. As a nurse leader, I'm leading efforts to remove racism in healthcare. I participate and am leading efforts to cure this global pandemic. As a nurse leader and as an advanced practice nurse, you will use all of the skills that you learned throughout the program to create better health, better care for the people that you serve. Today's white coat ceremony marks a major milestone in your career. The principles that you learn will carry you through your entire professional program. Whether you choose to become a clinical nurse specialist, a nurse practitioner, or a nurse midwife, please know that you will play a vital role in the future of healthcare. Our very own existence is faced with civil unrest, social injustice, and as nurses forge together to rebuild our healthcare system, please know that you have stepped and embarked on a journey that you will be fulfilled for a lifetime. Receiving your coveted white coat is a symbol of a new beginning and the exciting journey as an advanced practice nurse. So regardless of your pathway that you choose, remember to care for yourself as you care for others. Congratulations, this is an amazing opportunity and I look forward to seeing you. Take care.
Leslie Blanco Alcazar. Nicole Anguiano. Tara Antonucci. Leah Marina Arredondo.
Hi, my name is Elia Arredondo. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank God for His endless guidance through my life, for my parents who show me what hard work really is, my boyfriend who has me laughing through the stress, and my family and friends for their endless love and support.
Amanda Ball. Diva A. Batesh. Elise Brown. Erin Burgos. Seema C. Shauna M. Caldwell.
I want to say thank you to all of my family and friends as I am going through this process.
Evelyn Chang, Nicole Chang, Diana Chang, Irene Chung, Jennifer Cruz, Julia Danziger.
Thank you, UCLA School of Nursing Graduate Division, for this journey. My experience in healthcare has significantly impacted me and inspired me to give holistic patient care. Thank you, Mom, Dad, and Jacob, for your support.
Lucia de la Vega,
Thank you, Mom and Dad, for all your love and support. I hope I'm making you proud. To my brother and my sister-in-law, thank you for always being here. Special thanks to my friends. I wouldn't be able to do this without all of you in my life.
Leanne Daisy Duarte,
Thank you to my husband who keeps me grounded, to my mother-in-law who edits all my papers, to my siblings who motivate me, and to my community of South Central who inspires me, and to my parents who have always believed in me. Gracias, Amaya Pa.
Cynthia Escamilla, Patricia R. Garcia, Abigail Claudia Gomez, Teresa R. Gonzalez,
I'm fulfilling a childhood and adult dream being here today. So I'd like to say thank you to my family and my friends for always believing in me. And also thank you to my late father who still manages to motivate me from heaven. Thanks for all of your love and support.
Emily A. Gray, Stephanie Griego,
Thank you to the UCLA Nursing Department and all the faculty here within for getting me this far and helping me get on my journey towards becoming an advanced practice nurse. I appreciate all of you.
Lena Maria Hernandez Abreu, Helen Huynh, Lauren Karp, Janet Kim. Katie Kozakowski. Kevin O. Kwan. Carmen Lee. Dominique Lucer. Jennifer Maheen. Tayaba Majidi. Megan B. Mamarill. Kimberly C. Mendenhall.
Hi everyone. I'd like to say that this white coat means a lot of hard work and dedication to me. I'd like to thank my family, my friends, and most importantly, my boyfriend for always believing in me.
Sabrina Moni.
I just want to say thank you to my mom, my dad, my brother JC, my grandma, and my boyfriend Luke for their unwavering support through this challenging yet rewarding journey.
Natalie Nelson. Angela Wynn. Narissa Obras. Jasmine I. Ocampo.
I'd like to thank my family, my friends, and my fiance, Jonathan. Thanks for inspiring me every single day. Especialmente a mis papás. Muchísimas gracias por todos sus esfuerzos y gracias por darnos la oportunidad de estudiar en este país. Los amo con todo mi corazón.
Olivia M. Pagano. Erica DeSaul Park. Nicole Ransbottom, Marianne Raveles, Christine Rivera,
Jennifer Rodas,
Emily Mai San,
Kirsten P. Santiago, Diane Nikon Sarmiento,
Shiba Satish,
Leoris Chachat,
Sabrina Silvera Davila, Madeline Smith,
Chelsea Stone,
Kimberly A. Timberlake Olivares,
I am so excited and am honored to be studying to become an advanced practice nurse at UCLA. Joe, Tristan, Kate, Mom, and Dad, thank you for always being in my corner. Without your love and support, none of this would be possible.
Sherry Tran, Louise Ann Villanueva, Jesselyn Joy Walter,
I'd like to say thank you to my family and my friends and give a special shout out to my children, Logan and Kate. Mommy loves you guys so much and you guys inspire me every day.
Allison E. Wang, Kelly Williams,
Congratulations, APRN students. We hope you've enjoyed your white coat ceremony. Every fall, we carry out this important event to mark your entry into a select group of healthcare professionals, advanced practice nurses. As registered nurses, you have already demonstrated your commitment to public and community service. Now, donning your white coats as future nurse practitioners and clinical nurse specialists, you acknowledge the increased commitment you are making to your patients, your community, your peers, and the collective healthcare system. As APRNs, you will be at the forefront of advanced nursing practice and healthcare delivery. We are proud of the commitment that you're making today, and we look forward to taking this journey with you. Congratulations.
Wishing you all a very successful educational endeavor at UCLA School of Nursing. Congratulations for making it into the program.
It's a milestone that all of us remember as faculty when we came to that point in our schooling.
You are beginning your route to be excellent clinicians.
We wish you all the best as you embark upon this journey over the next 2 years.
We are here behind you to support you, to encourage you as you begin this new phase.
Thank you so much for being the frontline heroes as you are taking care of patients with COVID-19. You already impressed me, and I'm very humble. And then you come to school, even if it is Zoom, that you're so devoted to learn one thing more so that you could fulfill your goal of becoming a compassionate and a competent nurse practitioner.
I wish each of you great success on the next step on your professional journey.
Through dedication and hard work, you have achieved a worthy goal. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Congratulations again.
Congratulations, everybody.
Go Bruins!
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 Go Bruins!